Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an order and get a refund on Amazon step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Me or Profile section, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down until you find the Your Orders option and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. Inside the order page, you will see an option called Cancel Order. Tap on it and select the reason for cancellation. After that, confirm your request. If the order has not been shipped yet, it will be cancelled immediately and your refund process will begin. If the order is already shipped or delivered, you may need to request a return instead. In that case, go to the same order page and select Return or Replace Items, then follow the instructions. If you have any issues, you can also contact customer service directly from the app. They will help you with cancellation or refund queries. After your request is processed, you can track your refund status from the order details page. The refund will be sent back to your original payment method within a few business days. And that's it. This is how you can cancel an order and get a refund on Amazon easily.